In this video, we're going to be looking at tree diagrams, and in particular, we're going to be looking at replacement questions. So a tree diagram is a way of representing all possible outcomes for two or more events. It's a physical way of looking at probability. So let's have a look at a question. Rob has 5 pairs of black socks and 2 pairs of white socks in a drawer. So in total, he has 7 pairs of socks. He picks out a pair, records the colour, and puts the pair back. He then picks out a second pair, draw a tree diagram for this information. So we want to show all the different possible outcomes. So his first pick, there are 2 options. He can either pick black or he can pick white. Now we can work out the probability, and on the branches is where we write these probabilities. So the probability of picking a black, there was 5 black out of a total 7. So we can write that as a fraction 5/7, 5/7. Similarly, we've got 2 pairs of white socks, and again the total is out of 7. So we got 2/7. Now he's going to put them back and pull them out again and seeing what the colour is. So if he picks a black one on the first pick, he could still pick a black or a white with his second pick. Now, because he puts the pair back, there's the same number of pairs in there as where he started. So there is still 5 out of the 7 pairs that are black, and there's still 2 out of the 7 pairs which are white. Now, if he'd picked a white out first, again, the 2 options would be black or white. So the probabilities, well, there was 5 pairs that are black, 2 pairs that are white out of the total 7. Now, with tree diagrams, what I like to do is to write the probability of each branch at the end. Now, what we do as we go through the branches of a tree diagram is we multiply. So if we're looking at a black followed by a black, we would multiply the probabilities on those branches. So 5/7 times 5/7, which is 25 out of 49. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we are doing top times top, bottom times bottom. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. 7 times 7 gives us 49. And we can do this and go through all our branches and work out the probability. 5/7 multiplied by 2/7. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 7 is 49. 2/7 times 5/7. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 7 is 49. And the last branch, 2/7 times 2/7. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 7 is 49. Now, if we add up all of those probabilities there, they should all equal 1. So if we add up 25, 10, 10, and 4, that'll give us 49. 49 over 49, well, that's 1, because all probabilities add up to equal 1. So good, we've drawn the tree diagram. But we can actually use those to answer some questions. So work out the probability that Rob picks 2 pairs of black socks. So if we look at our tree diagram, we want the branch that is black, then black, which is this one. The probability would be 25 over 49. We've got 25 over 49. The next question asks us to work out the probability that he picks two pairs of different colours. So here, I think the best way is to highlight the branches we want. So we want a black, then a white. So we want that branch. But he could also pick a white with his first and then a black. That would give us different colours, white, then black. So we want that probability as well. 10 over 49 and 10 over 49. Now I use that word and there, so I want 10 out of 49 and 10 out of 49, which gives us 20 out of 49. So the probability he picks two of different colours is 20 out of 49.